Rama and his story, the Ramayana, is a story that transcends space and time. An epitome of dharma, love, service, and sacrifice. Telling and retelling the Ramayana has not tired the storyteller, the listener, or the viewer. And so it was that Shankarananda Kalakshetra and Natyaramba, in association with the Indira Gandhi National Centre for Arts, New Delhi, presented Ramayana Kalpavrksam, a multi-arts festival in Hyderabad recently. Ramayana, the eternal life-giving tree, or Ramayana Kalpavrksam, a 3-day festival curated by renowned classical dancer Dr Ananda Shankar Jayant, with the conference segment curated by dance scholar Dr Anupama Kylash, was a veritable mosaic of scintillating performances, thought-provoking talks, visual arts exhibition, workshop on rare arts, and more. A wide canvas that had something for everybody and for every age group. The festival brought on to one stage classical dance, music, from the classical to the popular, visual art exhibition, Manaspat, Harikatha, puppetry, Nagara Sankirtana, Pancharatna group singing, workshop on rare arts. A 3-day immersion into our Itihasa, the Ramayana, and the essence of what is Bharat. This 3-day festival held in Hyderabad that saw full house audiences coming in from other cities and even as far as Singapore, immersing themselves in the Ramayana.
The Ramayana. It is not just an Itihasa, but a meta-narrative. Just like any other epic that is born in an indigenous culture, it is an inward journey that nudges us to contemplate upon the many connotations of the word dharma. Again, a word that is unique to an ancient civilization like ours. In Ramamrita, we will be exploring every aspect of the Ramayana, from the original to the retellings, interpretations, analysis, brought to you by seasoned academicians and experts, brilliant young scholars, and ardent devotees of Rama.
Rama